Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Raising My ARPITA. So before starting this video, I want to tell you something that is in the previous video, that is part 2. That video was not very well. I just understand that, and I did not get so much views and likes for that video. So I hope this video will satisfies your expectations. So let's start with this video. This is the part 3. You can see here in my backside, that is, this is part 3 of the question paper. So let's start. Okay, and if you like it, then please like, share and subscribe my video, and please share, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's start now. We have, sorry, if this kind of video also important for IBPS and RRB exams. Okay, RRB means regional rural banks. Okay, this is regional rural banks are for IBPS exam. This type of questions is also important, and this is the part 3. And let's begin with the question. Okay, so this is direction. Study the following information and answer the questions accordingly. Okay, so now we have one small paragraph, that is this one. Okay, this is the paragraph. So here in this paragraph, uh, there are some key points, that is 6 friends are there and having a different height. Okay, and not necessarily in the same order. Now see, if anyone has different, it means they are this type of questions is called as comparison based questions. Okay, so how we will do this type of questions? This will be your first question, that how we will do, how we will do the comparisons. See, there are how many students, how many friends are there? Total 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, just do it like this. And then what these are the heights. Okay, so we can write like this also. Why? Because it means this is the tallest person whose height is the greatest, and this is the smallest person according to the height. Okay, so let's start. So what is our first condition? That is B is taller than F. So we can write like this: B is taller than F. Okay, and but shorter than D. Okay, so tallest. This is tallest between these three. This is the tallest, and F is the smallest between these three. Okay, among these three. So let's start with the next line. Next line is where but shorter than D. Then A shorter than only F. A shorter than only F. This is the key point. A is shorter than only F. If A is shorter than only F, it means E is the what? Tallest person. That's why only E is taller than A. Only E is taller than A and no one else. It means 1 minute. Uh, hmm. It means E will be here. Okay, understand? E will be here because E is shorter than only A. It means only one person will be taller than A. That is E. Understand? Okay. So now this is done. We can write this directly in the arrangement, no problem with that, because it is already said in this statement, and directly we can arrange here also. Understand? Next, the next line is what? C is taller than B but shorter than D. So C is taller than B but shorter than D. This is the second one. And the height of the second tallest person is what? 171. Okay, meter. And the height of the second shortest person is what? This is shortest person. or smallest, the shortest person. 1 minute. This person is the shortest person. Okay. Yes. Okay. This is the shortest person, and if it is shortest person, this will be the position of the second shortest. If this is first shortest, then this will be the second shortest person, and the height is given in this line. That is, the height will be 152 meter. Done. Next, C's height is 7 meter greater than B. It means C equals to B plus 7. 7 meter greater than B. It means whatever the height is B, whatever the height of B, the height of C will be 7 addition of the height of B. Okay, we have to add 7 with the height of B, then we will get the height of C. Understand? So where we can write it? See, we have this one, that is D greater than B. Okay. Okay, D greater than B, and F, and D greater than C, it is greater than B. It means see here, magnetly D is greater here between this two. Okay, between these two, this greater here. That means D must be sit here. Understand? And now see one thing, that is C is greater than B. It means C will be here and B shorter than C. B will be here and F is the shortest person. It is done. This is the final arrangement. Understand? Okay. So let's start with the questions. Now we have the first question, that is, this is our first question. So this is already done. E, A, D, C, B, F. 1 minute. We have the height of C also, because if B is 152, if B is 152, then C will be what? C equals to 152 plus 7. It means 159 meter. Okay. So C will be 159 meter. Okay. So let's start. What among the following is the shortest? Who is shortest here? If is shortest, it means B is the right answer. Next, what may be the probable height of D? The probable height of D. See, if A is written here, that is A is 171. C, we already know about C, that is 159, and it is already given, that is 152. Then the probable height of D must be between 171 and 159. Yes or no? Okay. So between which number is between 171 and 159? Let's see. 172, no. Yes, no. 155, no. Yes, 165. Why? Because it is between 171 and 159. So this will be the right answer. So probable it can be 165 meter. Understand? Okay. So next, now let's go to the next question, that is this one. This is what? This is direction based question. Direction based. This type of question is also very important. Okay. So let's start. Direction, we have the first direction, that is study the information given below and answer the questions based on it. And this is already known for us. So let's start with the paragraph. A person is standing at a point P. He starts walking and walks for 6 meters towards his waist. Okay, so any person, like P is here, P is any person, and he starts walking towards west. It means here is north, here is south, this is your east, this is your west, and this is your northeast, this is your southeast, this is your southwest, and this is the northwest. Understand? And the angle between these is 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, like this. Okay? Understand? So let's start. So if P stand here, then he goes in which direction? West direction. So this is the west direction. Yes or no? 1 minute. 1 minute. It is just messy. Okay. So I will draw it again. It is messy only. That's why it was messy. Yes, north, south, east, and west direction. Okay. This is your northeast. This is your southeast. This is southwest, and this is northwest. Done. So if P stand here, then P goes in which direction? West direction. How much? 6 meter. So 6 meter in west direction. Done. Towards his waist, and reached point Q. Then he turns a right turn. Now see, whenever there is given right or left, then we have to go with the direction. Okay, whatever direction you are facing now. And whenever there is written north, south, east, west like this, so we will do with the default manner. It means wherever you are standing, no matter, okay, just follow this rule. Only for what? Only when the north, east, west, south, northeast, northeast, southeast, like this only given, then we have to go with the default manner. And whenever the right and left is given, then we will do which manner? Then whatever direction you are facing, you have to do the right and left with that manner only. Okay, it means right and left is always changeable or variable, but north, south, east, west, these all are the common factor or constant. Understand? Okay. So now then he takes right turn. So this is the right. If he is facing like this, okay, he is facing in this direction, then his right will be this one and left will be this one. So right, how much? 4 meter right. Turned and walked 4 meter. Then he takes a left turn and walks 3 meter. Now again he is facing now here north direction. Now his left is this one, his right is this one. Okay, so where he is going, he walked to his left. Okay, and how much? It is 3 meter only. So 3 meter left. Done. And reached point R. Then he takes a left turn. Now again, see, this is R's right turn and this is R's left turn. So left, again he takes a left turn and walks 6 meter. So here we have to draw the 6 meter line. Okay, it is 4 only. So 2 bigger than, sorry, this is 4 and here is 6. Okay, so 6 is 2 more than 4. That's why we have to draw like this one, like this only. Okay, next, then he reached the point T. Done. Then again he turned to his left. Now see, now he is facing in south direction. Okay, now his right is this one and left is this one. So now he is facing in which in which direction he will go? In left direction. So how much? 6 meter. 6 meter. Done. Okay. Now why I just draw like this? Because this is 3, this is 6. So total this much is what? 9 meter. Okay, total the length of this much is 9 meter, and this is 6 meter already given. So it is 3 meter bigger, or 3 meter higher, or 3 meter bigger than 6. That's why. Okay, no problem with that. So now stop that point and done. Okay. So yeah, our question is done only. So now let's go to the question part. Now we have the first question. Okay, this is our that this one means our picture. Okay, so it is 6 meter only. It is 6 meter. It is 6 meter. It is 3 meter. It is 4 meter, and it is what, also 6 meter. Done. Now, in which direction of the which of the following direction is point N with respect to Q? Okay. So, with respect to Q, it means here we can write like this. Okay. This is north of Q, south of Q, east of Q, west of Q. Okay. So now you can see that this is the position of N. It means N is in which direction with respect to Q? It is, if it is east, it is south, then it must be southeast. Southeast direction. Okay. Next, if point L is 1 minute. Okay. Next question is, if point L is 2 meter north of N. See, if this is 6 meter, this is 4 meter, then this will be 2 meter. Yes or no? Okay. So if it is 2 meter north of N, L is 2 meter north of N. 1 minute. 1 minute. It is already given 6 meter. So if I write here L, okay. So then L is 2 meter north of N. Then how far is L with respect to P? Now with respect to P means this is P. So this is north of P, south of P, east of P, west of P. So with respect to P, S direction is what? Only west direction. Now what is given here? How far is L? So our question was different. That is, how far is L with respect to P? If L is here, then with respect to P, this is 3 meter only. Why? Because total the length of this is 9 meter and the length of this is 6 meter. So it will be what? It will be 9 minus 6 meter. It means 3 meter. So C will be the right answer. Okay. Okay. So only this much for today. Thank you so much, everyone, and be safe and healthy. And please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Okay. 1 minute. Please like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay. Bye bye.